It's Shantae and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to create this look right here. These cute passion twists or whatever. They so cute, ain't they?
Say it with me, baby. Say it with me, baby. Say it with me, baby. Say it with me, baby.
Hey y'all, it's Jermaine Shantae. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new here. But today I'm just going to be showing you all how I created this hairstyle right here, shoulder length passion twist on my natural hair. If you want to see how I did it, continue on watching. I played too much, but you get it, get into it, okay? I'm starting off by sectioning my hair into medium-sized square sections. The size you wish your twist to be should be about the size you make your parts. Make sure to break lay your parts whenever you move to the next row. This will just help give you a much fuller look. To help with getting the base of my twist to look more polished, I'm using the Magic Fingers Shine and Gem, which is what I always used to use when braiding my previous clients' hair. I am applying this to all sides of the base. My hair has already been detangled and moisturized the day before. Always make sure to properly moisturize your hair prior to protective styling. The first method that I try to do is a method that is much easier to do on someone else's head rather than my own. As you may see, I struggle multiple times with trying to do this. I can't really figure out if I'm twisting the wrong way or what, but like I said, this method is way easier to do on someone else's head. But I was so determined to try to do it this way, but it just was not working out for me. At this point, I was like, well, let me just try to braid in the hair. I braided my hair by itself. This is just to help it last longer at the base. I then began to braid my hair as if I was doing box braids, but just about an inch down, and then I finished off with a 2-strand twist. After the first row, I came up with this method. If you have a crochet needle, then you can just braid your hair and then crochet the braiding hair through the braid and twist as is. Or you can do it the way that I'm doing it now if you do not have a crochet needle. Before creating the twist, I am twisting the braiding hair by itself to see which direction I will need to twist in. If you twist your hair in the wrong direction, the twist will easily come apart or look ununiform like the two twists next to the one I am working on. About halfway through a twist, I apply a leave-in. This is just to help the hair from detangling as you get to the end. The hair that I'm using is the sensational Lulu Tress crochet braid water wave in the length 18 inch. Here I'm just showing you how I prep the hair. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my hair as this is a repetitive process. Let me know down below if I should do a video in the future on how I prep and part my natural hair for protective styles. Also, I want to know down below how often do you protective style your hair and how long do you keep your protective styles in? Because me, I'm the type of person, I will do a protective style and it'll be out in like 2 weeks, but I'm trying to keep this in a much longer period of time. But definitely let me know how long you keep your hair in and how often do you do protective styles. we are finally at the last twist. I know it may not look like it, but with prepping my hair and braiding, this was a 3-day process for me. It's been over a year since I've done a protective style, so yes, my arms were not used to this, so it took me a little bit longer than how it normally should. This really should only take you probably, I would say 4 hours max to do this on yourself, but also with this size, I would maybe even say 3 hours. But it all depends on you. Take your time, do you, boo, and then it's gonna be worth it. If you were able to kick it with me all the way through this whole video and you made it this far, girl, boy, whoever, I appreciate you so much. But yeah, right now I'm just kind of trying to figure out how to style my hair. And baby, you know, this protective style is about to save my life because I'm tired of doing my hair. It was well overdue. Like I said, it's been over a year since I did any type of protective style in my hair. So this is the break that I needed, and I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.